During my time at Perth College, I have gained a vast amount of knowledge and experience in both a recording situation and whilst mixing. I have been fortunate enough to have had mixing consoles such as the DigiDesign Icon and Control Surface 24, and also the two analog consoles, the MTA 980 and the MTA 990. I have learnt about different miking techniques such as the Glyn Jones, Fukada tree and Hamasaki square during my recording sessions, and I feel I have reaped the benefit of these when it comes to mixing the track. During mixing, I feel I have acquired an ear for a good and well-balanced stereo mix. I have had the opportunity to do hardware mixes that require me to use outboard equipment such as reverb units and compressors via the patch bay on the MTA mixing consoles. I have a great passion for studio work, and I can definitely see myself pursuing a career in this sector of the industry. As a part of my multimedia project, where I was required to replace all of the sound in a short clip from a movie chosen by myself, I was in the situation of which at least 80% of the sounds used were to be captured and recorded independently. For this, I used a Zoom H4 handheld recorder, and as you can see, I captured many sounds such as a chainsaw, a flowing river, and footsteps in the snow. Although this was a serious task, it was also very enjoyable and gave me a much deeper understanding of just how much time and effort must go into a larger scale production. Once I had captured all of my desired sound effects, I imported them into either Logic Pro and Reason or Cubase and Reason, having the two programs synchronized in what is known as the master and slave combination. Common denominator Reason acting as the slave. This software allowed me to edit and manipulate the sounds until I was satisfied that I had created my desired effect. Logic Pro and Cubase are fairly similar, but Logic Pro holds the benefit of the ability to mix in 5.1 format and a massive 4GB sound library. In sound reinforcement, I have learnt how to quickly and efficiently rig the stage from scratch, how to correctly connect the mixing console to the PA including outboard equipment such as gates and compressors. I am also capable of single-handedly engineering a live gig to an advanced level. I have also learnt how to EQ the system. I have experience in using different loudspeakers such as stack and line array. Not only have I gained vital practical experience, but I have a certain degree of understanding in the theory behind sound reinforcement, such as spectrum analysis, the acoustic environment and the properties it holds, and differences in active and passive loudspeakers.